Hey y'all, Scott Ferguson here. Things like that. Today on Camping Cuisine, we are doing a Valentine's Day feast, folks. I have got steak, eggs, bacon, onions, potatoes. We're firing up the camping grill, the camping everything. Stuff you haven't seen. It's gonna be good, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, guys, what drives the cook? Drives the meal. Today, this one, the bacon's on both things. It's gonna be in the potatoes and in the eggs. And put in at the end too. So it needs to cool down. And the potatoes are going to get twice cooked. But the bacon, I've got a lot of bacon in there. It's going to take me a minute. So the things to think about: what drives the cook? This one, it's the bacon, and the steak is going to come together really fast. So as soon as the bacon's done and the potatoes are done, we will get the grill itself going. In the meantime, so that we can throw the steaks on. Because again, the key to all this is all hot at once. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're going bacon first. I've got this nice double pot rack, which is also nice when you're cooking something and you want to take it off the heat to mess with it so nothing burns. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, and I love this lighter. So now I've prepped my bacon, and we're doing like quarter strips of bacon. These little ovens, man, they are turbos. Let that start warming up a minute. Y'all stay tuned. Okay, let's check our bacon. In a situation like this, with all this bacon, we'll probably end up pouring some of this out here in a minute, because I don't want boiled bacon. We're rendering out a lot of water here. So yeah, I'm gonna dump some of this out. All right, guys. So we poured out some of the grease. And now we're going to try and brown some of this bacon.
Getting the stove going.
All right, y'all. So the stove. I don't think I beat my 35 seconds. Fumbled a little bit there. But still. Okay, so this little grill's a beast. It'll do any cooking that you want. Some starter briquettes down in there and some fat wood. There we go. Like I was saying, little briquettes, little fat wood. You don't even have to mess with it. You light that and walk away. All right, so the windscreen here really helped a lot. Now before it was just a bunch of chunks of bacon, but now we're starting to get finished. You're gonna have to start treating some of these guys different. I'm gonna start pulling some of this hair. Y'all stay tuned. Okay, the potatoes are good. Cut them with a fork, they're soft. We're going to dump out that water and add the onions. We're going olive oil, some butter. So one thing about this camping equipment, stoves and whatnot, they're lightweight, they're portable, but they're not very even in heating. Okay, so you kind of keep this stuff moving. All right, so we're going to let that go for a little bit on simmer. More butter in there. Okay, with those onions in there, that's going to all blend together, and that's going to be really good stuff. All right. Okay, we got to start looking for winners here. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at that.
Look at that. Got some winners.
You got some winners. Oh yeah.
Things like that.
Things like that. The bacon is coming together finally, folks. Potatoes are done with their first cook, and they're working on their second one. Grill's heating up for the steak. We're looking for winners here. And what kind of chef would I be if we didn't put a little bit of this in off the top? We'll fry those potatoes in some bacon grease.
Bam.
Look at that bubbling.
Ooh, doggy.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's what I'm talking about.
All right, y'all, the potatoes are coming around. Look at that. Butter, bacon grease, onions, potatoes, seasoning's on its way. Those potatoes are getting happy. Bacon's done. Things are coming together. Y'all stay tuned. Okay, so like I was saying, we want the gray coals. Little tap. Now you don't want to leave your grate up there the whole time. It's thin metal. That's a 700 degree fire. Yes, steel doesn't melt at 700 degrees, but it'll just make it last longer. Yeah, you want grill marks. So put it on 3 or 4 minutes before you cook. That's all you need. So salt. Pepper. Red Mrs. Dash. Dried crushed jalapenos. A little onion powder. And a little garlic. I know that seems like a lot, but potatoes can handle it. They need it. All right, this is really coming together. I'm going to taste one. Yeah, see, they're still a little under-seasoned. What is this right now? We're gonna put in some of this bacon. Stir that in. All right. Back into the silicone bowl that we used.
Taters.
Okay, so this is my egg container that has a removable rack, so you can use it for multiple things. I do suggest this. So we got our sirloin. All right. It's going to sit a couple of minutes. Push your steaks up. Make them as plump as you can. Make them the even thickness if you can. They'll cook better, more uniform. Okay guys, with a grill like this, you definitely have hot spots. There's no telling where they are, so you have to check. Okay, they're not quite ready to flip yet. Don't have enough char. You can see that line on the side of the meat. It's cooking. Oh yeah, that looks good. It's such a hot fire that I'm keeping these touching a little bit. Just keep the edges from drying out. These steaks are done. All right, there we go. Pat of butter on each one. Get some butter in the pan. So as soon as you start to see some bubbling, your butter's ready.
Ready.
So we prepped this already. Salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, jalapeno, dried jalapeno. Give it a test, see if it's kicking off. Keep moving. Got 8 eggs today. 3 people. Trying to let that uncooked egg get around to the pan. Keep them moving. Can't stress it enough on eggs. These campfire stoves, the wind, you never know where the pot's gonna be hot. We're almost there. We're a couple of stirs away from being there.
You dump cheese on this?
On the potatoes? Yeah. Put a good bit on the potatoes. Okay, here we are. We're going to flip these a couple times now. Do a whole flip. Come around, flip. Catch the edge. Slide it off. Turn the heat off. Okay, now it's time to add the cheese. You want to cook the eggs before you add the cheese, or they'll melt and incorporate and make the eggs cook differently. So cheese always at the end. We just serve each other. Mix. Okay. Give that one a stir. Putting in a little bacon at the end. All right. Stir that. A little texture, a little savory. All right, y'all. That's it.
Yummy. Yummy. That looks so good.
All right, guys. This couldn't have turned out better. Danny?
Oh my God.
Tell the world what you think. Don't lie.
It's not good. It's great.
It's great.
It's fantastic. That's right. I'll tell you right now. Things like that. Great steak.
Perfectly cooked.
Keep it going. We got a few more to go here.
It's delicious.
Yeah, that just blazing through there. Danny?
Thanks.
So good.
Hey, tap to you, please. Yeah, I give us
Go to the mama and box some for your eggs.
gracias. Hey, pull that chair up, Scott.
I'm almost there, Bubba. Okay, there it is, guys. Campfire breakfast. Again, I haven't got you guys out on the trail yet, but I will. Trust me on that. Y'all, thanks for watching.